Rahim. My name is Ghazi Khan Jatoi from BBA 2K17. My topic is consumer behavior. Assignment Madam Yusra Mustafa. Outline 1. Concept of consumer behavior. Importance. Why we study consumer behavior. 2. Concept of marketing. Force of marketing. Marketing mix. Advantages of marketing. 3. Competition. Why business needs to study competition. Advantages. Role of consumer behavior. 1. Consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is the study of how individual consumers, groups or organizations select, buy, use and dispose ideas, goods and services of their needs and wants. It refers to the action of the consumer in the marketplace and the motivates for those action. Marketers expect the buyer understand what cases the consumers to buy practical goods and service. They will be able to which product and need in the marketplace, which are and how best the present the goods to the consumer. Importance of CB. Understanding consumer behavior is for a company to find success for the current products as well as now product. Every consumer has a different thought process and towards buying a particular product. If a company fails to understand the of a consumer towards a product, there are high chances of product failure due to the changing function, technology, trends, living styles, disposable income and similar other factor. Consumer behavior also change. A marketer is to understand and function factor that are changing so that the marketing efforts can be aligned. What is the importance of consumer buying behavior? This actual outlines several of them. Continues. 1. Consumer definition. In marketing, consumer definitionally is a way to a consumer from several other consumer. This helps to make a ground group of consumer with the same or similar behavior. 2. Definition of consumer. Consumer behavior is not just important to now consumer, but it is very important. Written explanation. Consumer as well. When consumer is happy about a particular product, she will repeat the purchase. Therefore, marketing the product should be done in which a way it will customers to buy the product and again. Continue. 3. Sign relevant marketing program. Understand consumer behavior allows you to create effective market campaign. Each evening can speak to the specific group of consumer based on their behavior. 4. Product marketing trend. Consumer behavior analysis will be the first to indicate a shift in market trend. For example, the recent trend of consumers is towards environmental friendly healthy food. This changing market trend was evolution. Many brands, including based on the consumer behavior, image brought healthy food option. We study CB buying behavior is study to product buyers decision in market. If a firm understand its customer, it becomes successful in the marketplace. Success of any business is based on understanding the consumer and providing the kind of products that the consumer wants. The consumer decided what a buy, when to be, and also what not buy. One cannot trust product a consumer. A marketer sells what the consumer wants, so implies is placed on knowing what the consumer wants. Or why study CB? Studying consumer behavior is a very much implied for the following reasons. One, to we need customers response favorably while evaluating the products the best their needs. Marketing studies how consumer spend their available resource on the consumer of lighted its including the study of what they buy, when they buy it, where they but it, and how often they use it. So knowledge of consumer behavior will be amazing help to the marketer, which will help to establish their needs. Continues to help to understand consumer philosophy, the study of consumer behavior. The marketer to understand the philosophy of consumer behavior. Philosophy is based on his knowledge, attitude, nation, and motivate. The philosophy of consumer develops on the basis of knowledge he has. Sales promotion plays important role of proud to knowledge of the product to consumers. Continuous 3 helps to understand consumer motivate. 4 helps to understand customer choice. 5 helps to understand consumer performance. To include the study of consumer behavior helps to marketer to studies of needs of customer, understand consumer physically, understand customer motivates, understand customer choices, understand customer performance. To market. What is market? Marketing refers to activities a company undertakes to promote the buying or selling of a product or service. Marketing including advantages, selling and developing products, consumer or other business. Some marketing is done by one of a company. Key marketing refers to all activities a company does to promote and sell products or service to consumer. Marketing makes use of the marketing mix, also known is the 4 P's: product, price, place and promotion. Force of marketing. The 4 P's of marketing are the key factors that are involved in the marketing of good service. They are the product, price, place and promotion of a good or service option. Referred to as the marketing mix, the 4 P's are continuous and by internal and external factors in the overall business environment and the interact with one another. 4 P's. Product. Product refers to good, a service that a company offers to customer. Ideally, a product should fulfill examination customer demand or product may be so completing that consumer believe that need to have it and create it and demand to be successful. Marketers need to understand that life cycle of product and business need to have a plan for dealing with products at every stage of their life cycle. Price is the cost consumer pay for a product. Marketers must link the price to the product real and present value, but they also must consider supply costs, seasonal discounting and computers price. 4th place. When a company makes decision place, they are trying to where they should sell a product, how to deliver the product to the market. The goal of business it always to get their product in front of the consumer that are the most likely to buy. Then promotion include advantages, public relation and promotion strategy. The goal of promoting product is to reveal to consumer why they need it and why they should pay price for it. Marketing mix. Definition. The marketing mix refers to the set of action or that a company uses to promote its brand or product in the market. The 4 P's make up a typically marketing mix: price, product, promotion and place. However, nowadays the marketing mix include several the P's like packing, positioning, people and even politically is special of elements. All the elements of the marketing mix influence each other. They make up the business plan for a company and right can give it great success but handle wrong and business cold. Understanding market research of the several people from users to trade to and several other advantages of market. Choosing the maximum or newspaper to advantage and market your business always you to appeal to a and demographic, taking your advantage at the right to maximize it. Different often in advantages of marketing media is the size, placement and type of advert can be and change accounting to your needs. Another advantage marketing that we is the refreshed display of your advertisement. Our time multiple appreciation and issues of the people are maximum will improve chance of your brand sting will the customer and also the result you will see in terms of sales leads. 3. Combination. Definition. Combination in economics is defined as the effort of to be leaders in their industry and increase their marketing share. In other words, it is when one business there to win where another business customer or by offering different product better deals or of other means economic reality in which every seller trades to get what other sellers are seeking at the same time sales profit and marketing share by offering the best possible of price, quality and service where the market information follow fairly combination plays function in planning demand and supply. Why business needs to study combination? Knowledging your combination will help you understand with your combination advantage, understanding the supplement of the marketing place where you hold that advantage. Target your efforts on the marketplace which should increase your return on your marketing investment and increase your sales and become commodity. Get clearly with your combination really or design your communication plan a maximum to your advantages so that happiness when where different you are from your companies well that easy manage relationship develop business and dealer and outsetting customer experience better than anyone also. Advantages combination in the marketing is good for consumer and good for business. Combination from many different combined and advantage thought free enterprise and open market is the basis of the US economy. When firms company each their consumer get the best possible price, quality of goods and services. Enterprise laws economy companies to compete so that both consumer and business benefit. For role of consumer behavior according to Salesforce report 76 of consumer expect companies to understand their needs and expectation. This means can tell you they problem taking their business. Successful organization build their marketing strategy with consumer behavior is the foundation. They are not creating product and market plan basis on their ideas alone or bring expectation information into the fold to find out with customer and how to they want it then with according this the of creating positive customer experience. CX and CX means everything to hosting a local customer base considered that start state. Thank you so much.